Hello again, it's Kevin here at Technical Prospects with another tech tip video. Today we're going to talk about how to properly hook up e-box installation bracket and the kit assembly that comes with it. So when you remove the e-box from the shipping crate, you'll get this bracket that attaches to the e-box. Where this goes, it's located on the top here. You see these four threaded inserts. So this will set right on here. And how this works in is you'll use this as your lifting mechanism. You also get this bag from us with the hardware enclosed. So what this is you basically get the four screws to firmly attach this. I'm just going to put them in finger tight for now, but you would want to use an Allen wrench to get them fully tight. So once you have this installed on here, then you'd be ready to move it into your system and do the full replacement. So at this point now, I've got my installation bracket properly installed. I'm going to move this in under the system. So at this point, you're going to use this table pad and a strap in this lifting device. Please view our previous video on installing a tube in a Sensation system. That'll show you how to use the table as the lifting mechanism. To view more tips like this or any other additional information, please view our resources page.